Hey, it's Samantha Thompson, Executive Director with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to review for you the 4 options you have for joining 31 in spring of 2020. So first and foremost, we have 2 influencer kits that are just $31 each, and I'll show those to you here. This is the Adventure Influencer Kit. It comes with our clear clip pouch, our Fresh Market thermal, and the small utility tote, just $31. And then we have the Journey Influencer Kit, which comes with our new round utility tote, a ruby mini with a wristlet strap, and then our new travel light card wallet here. Super cute as well. Both of those just $31 each, and those are available until March 5th. They each come with one spring catalog, and it's a great way to get your business started online and really kind of build your business from there with a launch party where you can earn more products for free and commission and then purchase some additional business supplies. And then we have 2 other options. This is our signature enrollment kit for $99. You can see tons of product in there. I believe the value is right around $460. So tons of value in this influencer kit. I mean, this around town tote right here is $78. I believe this wallet is $58. The Keep It Cool thermal backpack is regularly $98. So not only is this an amazing deal, but you have the opportunity to earn a kit rebate as well as start your own business with 31. So with this kit, and then our customized kit is $130, all the exact same products. The difference is you get to choose the patterns and then you get to choose the personalization. So that's the difference between the $99 and the $130. And anytime that you join, and now through March 31st, you have the opportunity to earn a kit rebate on these kits, which means when you submit $1,000 in sales, which is about 2 average parties, and I would help you with both of those, you are going to get a cash back rebate along with your commission. So if you were to join and we did a launch parties where we introduce your new business to your family and friends. We can do it right on Facebook. And then you have one other party. Maybe it's your best friend, your aunt, your cousin, your sister, your mom. That's going to get you right about that $1,000 level. That's going to earn you $250 in commission plus the money back on your enrollment kit. And so it's a great way to kind of just test your feet or get your feet wet, test the waters, and decide if 31 could be right for you. Now, I just have a couple frequently asked questions that I hear all the time when people are talking about joining 31. And the first one is, are there any additional fees? And the answer to that is no. We do have a replicated website if you want to have it. It's $16.95 per month. I highly recommend it for at least your first month or 2 to kind of figure out where you're going to be in your business, to see if this is something that you want to do, just as a hobby and something for fun, if you want to do it a little bit more part-time, or you want to, really make a go out of it. And so I just recommend that you have it for the first couple months, but it's not required in any way. The next question I get is, do I have to purchase a lot? And the answer to that is no as well. We have really great opportunities where you can earn products for free through incentives. And in addition to that, you as a consultant can also host a party whenever you want and cash in on those hostess rewards. We have the ability to keep a party open over 2 calendar months, which really lets you collect orders from family, friends, coworkers, and then put that all in as a party and cash in on those rewards, which is amazing. And then a couple fears I hear pretty often are that you don't know anyone, or you're not really sure how to kind of get outside of your circle. And I'm going to tell you, don't worry about that, because it's something that I was nervous about before I joined too, but I'm really going to help you with that. So we're going to start with your launch party. We're going to play a couple games to get some bookings from that launch party. From those bookings, we're going to play some more booking games to kind of get you outside of your circle and meeting some new people. The next fear I hear pretty often is, I'm not good at sales. And let me just tell you, before I joined 31, I had 0 sales experience, had not sold anything, not even a pair of socks at the mall in high school. And what I found was this was really more about sharing what I love about the product and how I like to use it than it was about sales. And I found I don't have to be a pushy salesperson in order to be successful. So that makes it super fun. When you join my team, you're going to have a ton of support through our team page and our lineage page, as well as through 31. So I can't wait to help you choose a kit and start your own 31 journey soon. Talk to you later.